Okay, so now we've successfully coded the binary. We've now got to convert this into hex, and it's actually not too bad. We're going to take each of the first 4 digits and the last 4 digits, and we're going to convert them separately. All right, so I'm going to start with these 4 digits over here. So these 4. Okay, so I'm going to write them down again. 0, 1, 0, 1, and this is going to represent a 1, a 2, a 4, and an 8. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to total them up. I'm going to do what I did just exactly before, and I've got a 4 plus a 1, so amazing enough the answer is going to be 5. We can do the same thing over here, and we've got a 0, 1, 0, 1, and this is a 1, 2, 4, and 8, and amazingly enough that is a 5 as well. So from a hex point of view, that is 55. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, in normal denary, that number gets times by 10. Well, in hexadecimal, that number gets times by 16. Okay, so let's do that, and then we'll add on the 5. So 5 times 16. So 5 times 6 is 30, and 5 times 10 is 50. So 50 plus 30 is 80, and then I've got to add on that 5 as well. So plus 5, and it gives us 85. So 55 in hex is the same as 85 in denary. Well, it ought to be, because that's what we put up on our score just here. Okay, so that's all well and good, but what happens when we go beyond 9? So when we go beyond 9 in denary, we go 10. So we would add, oh yes, stupid, sorry, just drew a line on the board. Right, so in denary, let's say we go 7, 8, 9, we would go 10, like that. So this is denary. Okay, in hex, we don't. We keep it single digit. Okay, so in hex, we would go 7, 8, 9, A. And then 11 will become B. 12 will become C. 13, amazing enough, you're not going to guess this, D. You did well done. 14 is going to be E, and then 15 is going to be F. Okay, so what would happen now? What happens now we go to 16? So 16 in denary becomes 10 in hex. But it's not 10, it's one lot of 16 and no units. So 17 will become, oh, I knew I was going to do it at some point, 11 or 1, 1. 18 becomes 1, 2, and it keeps going up. So this digit here is our times by 16. Okay.